Welcome to my make your own music tutorial. If you guys wanna learn how to make music, just watch this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, just push that button and give me a push, and let's gonna start. So you're gonna need two applications for this. You're gonna need GPT. Just write GPT on the Google. Here, open this one. Already got it open over there. You're gonna need the second application. You're gonna need Suno AI. You're gonna open two windows with this application. So you're gonna write Suno Music AI, already there. This one, already got it open over there. Okay, we got these two applications. Let's go to GPT. I'm gonna tell him I want to make a rap song for Suno AI bot. Please give me a prompt and lyrics. This is the easiest, fastest way. You got the prompt here. Let's copy it. Let's go to Suno, create, custom, go down where it says style. I'm gonna paste that style. Now I'm just gonna doing the fast way, so you can later you can refine this to go to the where you want. Now I'm just gonna showing you how you do it. Gonna copy the lyrics back to Suno. This is the fast way. Yeah, this is turbo speed. I don't do it like this, just for you to see. And we're gonna paste, create. If I make a 10-minute video, you guys not gonna watch. So with that subscribe button, and let's listen to this song. This is gonna be your song. You can put it on your videos, in your gaming, whatever. That depends from the style you ask. Let's listen.
Yeah, it's time to rise up. Let's get it. It's time to rise up. Let's get it. Yeah. It's time to rise up. Let's get it. Yeah. Stepping in the game, look, I'm dripping in gold.
Professional.
Dream so big, I don't spreading like foam. Running these streets like I'm born in control. I ain't scared of the struggle, that's just part of the road. I ride like a king, watch me elevate. Got the hustle in my blood, yeah, I dominate. No time for the fake, gotta clear my plate. Every move is calculated, no need to wait. I'm grinding all day, and I'm flexing all night. Climbing every mountain, yeah, I'm taking that height. Success in my sight, I'm ready to fight. Came from the bottom, now I'm out of sight. Yeah. We made it to the top, no looking back. Feeling untouchable, no time to slack.
Guys, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something. And if you subscribe to my channel, maybe you're gonna learn something else. Thanks for watching.